Norok bomo thaningi hai ke bos han mo to inok tini SDM narok ko monglai phai.
Sing Catholic Pastoral Council ingi ti mandai am saningi o jarawa sing returning officer SDM jilenya ni thaniyo sing kasak ko simung lai rekha tamni hinba sing nukha o jarawo buskang ni song marino ti kaham krengkhe tamanai sakma hamjati buna hamjakma hai samung khlai jati sing o buskang ni song mario kesang dodor boyani bisingti chini mandai am sayo kacha tawon nai bono joto thayo no oba haike election no final ni bagi tamni hinba jing nukha hangnai salogo sini mandai am sani jorao sing nukha buni outside ni bororok thangi kebang ma jorao kebang ma hamya khlayo pia bumung thango o mandai area ni bororok oboni bagi no singo jorao sing chini council lingi sing wansukha singje returning officer by o simung blai renai jate borok krak ব্যবস্থা nana ni bagi tamni hinba omohai walai suklai ing thangke omohai o jorao tamonai kaisa bai kaisa no nasela laimani tong thangke abo kuno mungsa samung go suklak samung nanglak abo onke election ko samung ing ya haingi thangnai tamni hinba sing saimono jing subrai jisu singno suri mani phring mungo singno sawo jugna ho lobjak ma hai o sing sarbo lobjak thung aboni bagi sing Christian rok sing Christian ngi sing gobono poina mo sing gobono appeal khlayo joto sini takuk bukuk joto bororok nono tamni ba kesang dodorki boyar kesang bai jugna hong ma haino o sing sarbo ungthung hnino tamni hinba election final election thangnai Biasanya takut te bukuk song, oh kami ono tonglai, kami baino tonglai, takut bukuk sing tonglai nai. Awalnya bagi nanti sing angnai sarlogo mandai ni obosta sing nuke wana ka, belai wana ma sing sa osoro. Election time ni yang lo wana di omo hai kebang ma uru nanggo omo sudah mandai simia, joto saratit ka ono inggi tong. Awalnya bagi sing tini ni sini returning officer no sing koika, o simung blind itu jate. Gerak borok tamanai ব্যবস্থা nana ni bagi omahai khainai omahai je ingi tongnai thamrang ingnai rokno jate tamanai borok gerak shasti nani bagi tei sing omobo koinai jara jotono jani jaja mothani politics na adong rokno sing omobo koyo norok bo jate norok ni dol bodol rokno omahai jate thamrang yawi kesang ke kaham ke omahai samungno kumung no kathar ke kaham ke paine ni bagi tamnin ba sing jotono takuk bukuk no sing jotono hansa oboni bagi ang koyo bises ke especially o jorawo sini CPC ningi bible ni kok thai baino sagno hamjak te sing buina hamjak thai klayo oboni bagi sing koroksa no hamjak lainai ni nangnai te sing oma haikono o buskang ni election do jate kisang ke paiteng tei omahai thamrang nai borok no jati borok karak sasti betung hlino sung koimung blai sanu
Takone mukhe
ani mong Indrajit Deborma CPC ni general secretary.
All of you are aware regarding the ADC upcoming election, which is going to be held on 6th of March. So before election we have seen violence in many places in every corner of Tripura, where different political organizations are involved in creating violences, making disturbances in many areas, which is giving disturbances to the society as well. So today, on behalf of our Mandai Pastoral Catholic Council, we have come here to meet the returning officer, and even we have submitted a memorandum copy appealing to all to maintain peace and harmony in the pre-poll election as well as in the post-election. Because many a times we have seen few days back also, violence was created in Mandai between 2-3 political parties, and which has created violence so much, and it is making disturbances to the locality people, as well as yesterday also we have seen violence happening in Takarjala, as well as A few days back, violence took place in Dasrambari near Madhav also. So these sort of violence should be actually stopped. This is not, people cannot appreciate such kind of violence that is created by different political organizations. So it is our humble appeal on behalf of our organization to all the political leaders to maintain peace and harmony in the people election, so that we can make a better Tripura and we can think of much better development in our state. Thank you.
Jotonono Dipor Kaham, Tini 20 March 2021, Sengoro Catholic Pastoral Council plus Saint Stephen Catholic Church Ningai, Sengoro Kaisa Memorandum Rupaika, Pula Seng SDM ni Thani Thanka, SDM ni Puraseng Tabuk Mandai RD Block, Video ni Administration ni Andhra Jatongnai, Bong ni Thanio Seng Kaisa Memorandum Rupaika, Memorandum Ka, especially during these election days or election period rogo, vote ni period rogo, Jate Kuno Gundugulo, বা বিভিন্ন সময় সংখ্যানা পত্র পত্রিকা রগ তাই বিশেষ করে চিনি মান্দাই এলাকার অবহায় এন্টি সোশ্যাল জিনিস বা কোন ওয়ালাইমুং বুলাইমুং ইয়া কারি নাই কাহাম করংকে চিনি ইলেকশন পাইমানা বাগৈ जों যত চিনি খাজানি বিশেষ করে চিনি খাজানি তাকুকতাই বুকুক जोंनो जों চিনি মথানিङैनो जों কবग ইলেকশন কাহামকে চলিনাन বাগৈ তাই যতनो जों मिलि तंलायनान बागै